Cozmo is a small AI-powered robot developed by Anki. It's designed as an interactive companion with a playful personality. Cozmo has a digital face that shows emotions. It reacts to interactions and learns from them, developing a unique personality. It recognizes its owner and gets excited when it sees them. Cozmo uses a built-in camera to recognize and remember faces. It identifies and interacts with objects, especially its Cozmo Cubes. It can avoid obstacles while driving around. It comes with built-in games like Quick Tap, Memory Match, and Keepaway. It plays with its cubes by stacking, rolling, or knocking them over. Cozmo can be programmed for custom games through its SDK. It uses AI to get smarter over time. It can be programmed using Cozmo SDK for custom behaviors. It has a code lab feature for block-based coding. It uses its wheels and sensors to navigate around. It can explore its surroundings and react to them. Cozmo detects table edges and avoids falling off. It can say simple phrases using a robotic voice. It responds to commands via the Cozmo app on smartphones or tablets.